Good morning, students. So children, today we will going to revise lesson number 3, that is my senses. We will only going to revise exercises. Okay, you can see page number 13 and the activity. Can you see, children? Activity 1. Here it is written, have you ever noticed what type of sound do you like to hear and what you don't? Now down in the picture, okay, you can see the picture and you can make it out which sound is soothing and which is not. So what you have to do in the picture, you have to mark the sound that you don't like to hear. Okay, first it is honking. I don't think so anybody like the honking sound, so I've crossed it. Then melodious song. Then a bird chirping of bird. It is a soothing sound to our ears. Then mother's voice. Again, mother voice is soothing to us. Loud music, no. Then the sound of a conch. Okay, whatever you think, if you think it is good or it is soothing to your ear, you can, you will tick. Otherwise, you will going to cross. Now come to page number 14. Now come to page number 14. In 14, activity 2. Mark with G for sweet smells and B for irritating smells for the following. G for sweet and B for irritating. Okay, flowers. G. Then food is also good. G you will write. In the circle you will write G. Then car smoke. B. What will you write? B. Irritating smell. Then litter, very irritating smell. You will put B. Then come to drains. Drain again, B. Mango, G, and perfume, G. Now come to page number 15. Now this activity is about our tongue. We have one tongue and we taste food with our tongue. Now in the activity we can see some items like samosa, cake, banana, lemon, bitter gourd and kheer. And here the tastes are given: salt, sweet, bitter. So what we have to do, we have to take the taste according to the items. For example, samosa. The taste of samosa is salty, sweet or bitter. It is salt, so I have take salt. Then cake. Cake is always sweet, so I have take the sweet column. Then banana is also sweet, I have take the sweet column. Then come to lemon is sour in taste, isn't it? It is khatta, not salty, not sweet, not so lemon, we are not having any sour column. So what I have done, I have crossed it, because lemon, it is neither salty nor sweet nor bitter. Then come to bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is what? Karela na. It is bitter in taste. Kadwa. So I have ticked the column bitter. Then kheer. Kheer is always sweet in taste. So I have ticked the column sweet column. Now children, come to page 16. Now come to activity 4. This activity is about our skin. Okay, it helps us to feel. It makes us feel that the thing is cold or hot. Okay, now in the chart we can see, in the first column we can see the items. Tea is there, ice cube, sponge, sandpaper, milk. Now we have to tell whether they are hot, cold, rough or smooth. So tea can be cold also, hot also, but most of the time it is hot, so I have ticked the column hot. Then ice cube, it is always cold, so in the cold column I have ticked it. Sponge, smooth. Then sandpaper, rough. And milk can be hot also, milk can be cold also. So both the columns I've taken. Now children, come to page 17. Okay children, now in this page again come to exercises. Exercise A, write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1, we see with our eyes. This is true. We feel with our nose. Do we? No. So you will write false. F. 3, we smell with our ears. Again it is false. We taste with our tongue. Yes, true. So you will write T. We hear with our ears. Yes, this is also true. So you will going to write T. B, write the names of the 5 senses here. 5 senses. We have studied now. Yes, first is eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. Now C, draw arrows from the sense organ to the work they help us to do. Okay. This is ice cream. Now can you see the picture? Yes. So ice cream. Taste. It is for taste. So you will tongue. You will going to take the arrow till tongue. Then eyes. Third is smell. Nose. Then fourth, this is skin, touching. Then this is ears. Now come to page number 18. Again one more activity, activity 5. Write the name of the sense organs that we use in the following activities. So you just have to write the name. Looking colors. What do we use? Which organ do we use? Sense organ, eyes. Eating an apple, tongue. Then hearing music, ears. Touching hot milk, skin. Watching cartoons, eyes. Smelling perfumes, nose. So children, this was all we have today. We have done lesson 3, my senses. Okay, so the revision of this lesson is also done. Now children, tomorrow we will going to do lesson 4 and 5 for revision work, and exams are very near. You have to study. Hope you all are studying well, huh? You have to study very hard for your exams. Now children, for your homework, I have given 5 sense organs that you have to draw and color. You have to draw and color 5 sense organs. Okay, now so we'll be meeting tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe.